To conduct a task analysis, we follow these basic steps. Using the results of our organization and person analyses, we choose the job that will be the target of training and identify job incumbents who would like to participate in the process. The next step is to create a comprehensive list of all the tasks that are involved in this job. We do this by referencing different sources of data, starting with the least expensive and the least intrusive methods, like observation and ONET online. Then we ask other people, subject matter experts like job incumbents and managers, to improve our list. Then they provide ratings of the frequency, importance, and difficulty of each task. Once we have a final list, we can then identify the KSAOs that people need to be able to perform each task. Again, subject matter experts are useful in helping us validate this list of KSAOs. Once we've completed a task analysis, we compare the information to the results of our person analysis. If we found a performance gap, for example, we might look for the tasks and KSAOs that are most relevant to that gap.